All right, hi you guys. Hey, my name is Barbara.Balcom. I'm out here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today I'm showing you a Catalina Legacy. This is a 263 RL, which means it has a great big window in the back. And I tell people, the view's in the back. This is a 3,000 pound tongue jack. We've got oversized tanks underneath this cover that automatically switch over, so you're not freezing your buns off in the middle of the night. If the furnace happens to shut down, it'll automatically switch for you. It's got some great storage. Coachman's been building RVs for quite some time. So you've got a really nice area in here that's sealed off from the rest of the coach to stow away all of your extra things, a fishing rod or whatever, what have you. And today I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to come in through the bedroom door. So come on up and take a look. Right away I want to show you that there's a lot of storage underneath this bed. Oh, and I guess we got the box for the TV and a few other things in there. But notice that that's on gas shocks, so that's easy to stay up. Great wardrobe closets on each side. Makes it really handy. A lot of times they have a shelf here above the bed, and the things that you put on that shelf usually end up on the bed. So it's nice to have solid cabinetry here and a place to put your jeans, your sweatshirts, and the stuff that you want to just get folded up and tucked away. So, welcome to our bathroom. Step on in. We have a beautiful closet here. Plenty of room to put your hand towels, your toilet paper, the other things that you need. A beautiful shower, and I mean it's a nice shower. You can see that I'm about 5 foot tall, so there's plenty of room for me and one more maybe. Anyway, you got a skylight up here, a nice freestanding handle, a basin, a medicine cabinet, all the easy stuff, and it's a lot in a little. But come on in. So we're really close in here today. Actually, this slide goes out another foot or so. But you have a lovely couch here and a dinette, lots of storage underneath there. And most of all, these nice recliners. Oh, that feels good. You can kick back. So the view's in the back. A lot of times when you are out camping, you're going to back into the view. That's going to be the lake. That's going to be the riding chair. It's going to be the scenery. So these countertops they are what's called a, oh gosh, I got to think for just a minute. They are a thermal wrap. So you don't have a lot of particle board, actually hardly any. It's just a super nice rig. I want to just say to you that I can show you videos all day long, but the real truth is seeing is believing. You need to come out and sit down on the sofa and in the lounge chairs, lie down on the bed, feel what it feels like for you. But Coachmen Catalina is the unit that we're in today. This is a 263 RL. My name is Barbara.Balcom. Please give me a call. I'm at 541-521-4232. I can answer all your questions, and I'd love to have you come out. Thank you.